Alright, I'm back. Let's try this one more time. Or 100 more times. Oh, there we go. I should count them. I should start counting them. Why did I get an achievement? I have no idea. Oh, come on! Oh, come on, I'm in! Seriously?
Here goes.
No!
And begin.
Man, this time I didn't do it. No! Every single time! Oh man, incredible.
It's on.
Oh.
Here goes.
Yes, I am, Slim. Yes, I am. My goodness. I figured out how to do many things, but every single time! No, I'm not gonna make it. Not like that. Ah, crap.
You're up.
Freaking kidding me.
Here goes.
No freaking way!
You're up.
Man, I totally see Angry Video Game Nerd making an episode about this. About this game. Freaking hell, man.
And begin.
The reason why I reset the game, restart the level right away, because there's no way I'm gonna make it to the end of the boss. You know, with just 1 HP or 2 left. I need to be at full health. Why? My goodness. Look at that. Yeah, probably. Probably Slim. But they'll definitely do something about this game. Probably a James and Mike, like you said, though. Alright, I made it this far with 3 HP. And I think I also collected the... And I think I also collected the coin from the beginning. I think. No! Oh, God. Oh, man. What am I supposed to do with this guy? This is as far as I get every single time.
Now go.
I'm getting tired of this. My nose is itchy. Alright, there we go. Ah! Friggin' hell.
And begin.
Well, I'm sure there will be, but it's too soon. I don't think anybody has finished it yet. Oh, God!
Here goes.
I'm tired of playing this stage over and over again.
And begin.
Oh my goodness.
You're up.
Are you freaking kidding me?
It's on.
I hate these bees with a passion. Oh! That was useless. They keep respawning the frickin' bees. Of course, no, I'm not gonna make it.
It's on. You're up.
I started making it this far with no damage, so... So that's an improvement. No! Oh my goodness. Oh, and then comes the... Oh! Look at that!
Here goes.
feel like I'm playing Metal Slug right now. Ah! He jumped down the ledge instead.
It's on.
I don't know, I never played Rayman. Ah, man. Take a breather. Freaking hate these bees. Hey, V4. No! I lost a life instead of going down the ledge. Ha!
You're up.
I'm getting better at this. I'm really good. I'm just getting cheap deaths right now. Because I have become very skilled at this now. I missed the coin. Oh crap. Okay, whatever.
Here goes.
Are you freaking kidding me with this?
And begin.
I am so tired of playing this thing over and over again. Freaking bee! Okay, Vert, I told you once and I'm gonna say it one more time. Speak English, please, so that everyone understands you, okay? Thank you. Ooh. Are you freaking kidding me? Ah!
It's on.
Hey, Cheer. Welcome. My goodness, man. I mastered it now. I pretty much mastered it. But I keep getting cheap deaths. Look at this. Alright, never mind. I didn't get the coin. But I promise, most of the time I'm getting it. These freaking bees! Ciao Vert. Għatlek darba, għatlek darbtejn, imma xej. Jo ma tifhimx jew ma nafx. Oh, I don't know how I didn't lose a life. Usually we would, because the game is cheap like that. Taking a breather. Man. No, I got the level. I mean... I minimized OBS, I couldn't find it again. There it is. Let's go again. Alright, I got 3 HP and I made it this far with 3 HP. Alright, it doesn't get any better than this. Alright. I like the piano music as well, but it's giving me a headache now. I'm done with this music. Alright, here we go. Really, dude? I did it? Now what? Where do I go? Alright, alright. I did it! I did it! Oh man! Oh man. They gave me the D though. Hey, final. Oh, I'm crying. Holy crap, man. I think it's the level I repeated the most in my life. Now I've got some more coins. I've got 6 coins now. Maybe, only maybe, I can perhaps upgrade something. So, great coverage with average damage. Aim backward for maximum range. I don't get this. I'm gonna go for it though. Alright. Let's go. Come back anytime. I eat fast. Yeah, it's just... I had some soup again. Alright, so... I'm gonna go at the plant now, alright? I'm gonna go get the plant. Where's the plant? Now I have a better... Now I should have a better gun, I think. So you see, I did defeat the plant, but it doesn't count. Because I need to go on regular to actually get the contract. No, the extra HP lowers my health. Lowers my attack, though. I don't want that. What the heck? Oh, I already lost once. Oh crap, man. I'm losing concentration. Let's try again. I defeated the plant already, but on easy, and it says it doesn't count. The game said it doesn't count. Oh man! La Samba! No! Okay, no. I won't take that. Hold on a sec. Hold on a second. I forgot to equip my my new gun. Why didn't I do that? Shot B. Is this it? Jumbo rebound. So this is standard issue weapon, long range. Alright, so this. Okay. I'll equip that just in case. Let's go again. Even the title card of the level looks like one of those LB to switch weapon. I know. This looks like an awesome power. Whoa, this is powerful. All right, no problem. Ah! Alright. But I'm getting better. Look at this. Look how far I made it now. I'm very confident. I was still experimenting with the new weapons, so... And for once I have a gun that Jack cannot comment on. Hello, Jack! I don't know if Game or Vloggy is streaming a 1950s cartoon. It's a 1930s cartoon, actually. Yes, it's based... This game came out in 1930 for the Xbox One. Oh no. Switch weapon. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, crap! That was useless. Oh, no.
Here's a real high class.
No, it wasn't an actual cartoon, but it's based on... But it is based on cartoons, yeah. This gun is much better. They like follow around the enemies, you see? No! Oh, crap. Oh, man! But look how far I'm making it. I'm very happy right now. So I'm getting very close. I don't care. I just need to focus a bit more.
Here goes.
And even if you shoot the other way around, it still attacks him. Ah! Ah! No! It's so hard to dodge those. Maybe I should just duck. Maybe it's easier to duck. Boomerang shots! But they follow the enemy, I noticed. I noticed that they follow the enemy.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin!
No. I made a jump by mistake.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin!
I need to get rid of this. No! I cannot do this. I fell! I fell! I fell! Probably won't be much around here. Look, gaming con this way. Oh! Oh, that's nice. The split just went Super Saiyan. Super Saiyajin! Can you just jump upwards? Well, I mean, jump up?
This match will get
What do you mean?
It's on!
Like this? Let's go. I'm gonna do this now. This weapon is so much better. Did I just get hit?
This match will get red hot. It's on!
Oh man.
This match will get red hot.
I love how he pulls his pants up before he fights. I like that. Oh my goodness, I can't get hit by projectiles. Not this soon.
Now go!
Ah! Ah! Super Saiyan! Oh, come on. I was gonna say Super Saiyajin, but I didn't even finish it. That freaking thing over there. There we go. At least it's gone now. Alright, one last hit. And I cry. Knockout, you son of a biscuit! Finally! That was for you guys. All of you that had the patience to watch me. Oh man. Skill level. C. Man! I wanna cry. GG, sucker. GG. Alright. Alright. He's happy because I got the contract now. Sold contract. Cagney Carnation. Devil's Office. The seal. Seal of the Devil's Office. Oh yeah, Fuzzbot. Sorry, I cannot enable Fuzzbot because right now I'm streaming. Hold on a sec. Maybe I can. How do I enable Fuzzbot? Trying to think how to enable Fuzzbot. I don't even know how to enable. Hold on, I think I. Hold on a sec. I think I can. I think I can. I am going to anticipate. I think I'm going to anticipate right now. Bear with me. Hey, Executor's back. Welcome, buddy. Hold on. I'm gonna try with the Fuzzbot real quick. Come on. It's not working. Dang it. Hey, it's Dada! I'm sorry, it's not working pants right now. Sorry about that. Alright, so Executor is back, Dada's here, V4 is here. We got a party going on now. Are you ready to kick some more butt? I'm gonna kick some butt. Now, I think I'm done here, actually. Let me just go give the contracts to Mr. Dice Man over here. Listen to the song. They're dancing.
I'm Mr. King Dice. I'm the gamest in the land. I never play nice. I'm the devil's right-hand man. I can't let you pass.
Okay.
You ain't done everything.
What are you doing back here, Wheat? I told you, take care of them. Yes, there's another one, I forgot. That's right. There's another one I forgot, yeah. You're right, one. You're right, one. Come on, man. Let's be realistic, alright? Let's be realistic for once. Just for once. There's one contract that we need to pick up from here. Over here. Man, this is tough, huh? This is tough.
This match will get red hot.
It's Betty Boop the plane or something, I don't know. She shoots ha-ha-has at me. Now she turned into a cow? Or a bull? Whoa, nice. Moo cow. Seriously, too? Oh, come on, she killed me with a haha. Hey, Levy. Yes, it is very reminiscent of the Mickey Mouse, the old Mickey Mouse and the Betty Boop and Felix the Cat. All these cartoons. It is very inspired. You can even notice the hairstyle on the girl over here, look. It is very 30s-ish. Betty Boop looking at. You know what I like? She's on a unicycle and she's a plane at the same time. Like, what is going on here? Let's try this one more time.
Here goes.
Hehehe. Don't you hit me. I don't like the bull. Come on, bull, die. You bullshit. Alright, the bull is gone. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Ah! I should probably do this. Yeah! Boom. Did something happen? I hope I damaged. No, please, Archer. Don't kill me. Oh, oh. One last HP. Uh-oh. Okay. Come on. Please don't kill me. I'm a good guy. Okay. Words hurt. Nice one, nice one. I see what she did there. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna save the bombs for when she turns into a bull. Bull crap. Oh, come on, I shouldn't have gotten hit. Alright, time to bull it up. No, I have to restart this because...
Here's a real high-class bout. And begin.
You know why it took so long for this game to be made? Final? Because this game was all hand-drawn. Every single screen, every single animation was hand-drawn. Everything. This, like, if you're looking at the sky right now and the bull crap, everything is hand-drawn, like with watercolors. Oh man, this is not good. Oh, I get it now. They're constellations. It's true. They're Gemini now. Oh, I get it now. Oh man. I get it now, they're constellations. Oh, did you see that? How cheap that was? Alright. Alright. Wow. Exactly, Levy, exactly. Every animation. I'll show you on the overworld, if I ever make it back to the overworld. So yeah, it's the star signs. That's what she's turning into, the star signs. Oh, come on, that was too soon to get hit. Come on.
A great slam and then some. You're up.
So, what is she gonna turn into? Bull. Oh! Oh! Have one of mine. What's she gonna turn into now? Okay. Oh! Booyah! Alright. No problem.
This match will get red hot. Now go!
No, that's too soon.
This match will get red hot. You're up!
Oh, this boss is easier than the plant, for sure. No, not these guys. Toasty! Okay, I never made it this far, so this is all new now. No, I did. She turns into a moon now. Pokemon Sun, Pokemon Moon. I don't know what's gonna happen next now. Help me. Help me, please! Oh yeah, these are gonna shoot laser or something. Don't laser me, please. Oh, man. Look how close I was. That's her final form. Alright, let's try again.
And begin!
If I can kill these planes... No, too soon.
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on!
If I can kill these tiny... Oh, man! I cannot even finish the sentence! If I can eliminate those tiny planes, at least I'll save getting hit by a projectile. These tiny planes over here, but no. No, come on, man.
This match will get red hot. Now go!
Ah! Gemini. Did I get hit again? That's not fair. Oh man, how did I die? Okay. Pumpkin pie. I haven't had pumpkin pie in ages. My mom makes a mean pumpkin pie.
Here goes!
No, it's too soon.
Here's a real high-class bout. It's on!
That's gonna be the bull. Oh. That was impossible to avoid. Gemini. Oh. It's all about projectiles. It's man.
Red hot. Now go.
Goodness.
This match will get red hot.
Dad is leaving. Bye-bye, Dada. Thanks so much for hanging out, buddy. You take care, man. Oh.
A great slam and then some. And begin.
Is that a bull? Yeah. Oh man! Oh! Man, that project. I wasted a. What the heck? These stars are following me around! Oh man. Okay, here we go, here we go. I hope that made a difference. Ah, damn it, man. How far? I wasn't close. I mean, final form, but no.
This match will get red hot. And begin.
I already got hit.
A brawl is surely brewing. You're up.
The heck? Again?
Good day for a swell battle. Now go.
Moo! Sucker! Moo for me! Ooh! The first shot. That was the first shot. Uh-oh, tornado! Time to turn into Superman! Toasty! That's what reminds me. They're singing. Ah, crap! Oh, come on!
This match will get red hot. And begin.
No, I refuse.
This match will get red hot. It's on.
Ah, come on, man!
A brawl is surely brewing. You're up.
I'm going to collect your soul, and I'm gonna give it to the devil! Eventually.
Here's a real high-class bout. It's on.
Oh my goodness!
Here's a real high-class bout. It's on.
Are you freaking kidding me?
A brawl is surely brewing. Here goes.
Ah, you ass!
Good day for a swell battle. And begin.
What, did I just get hit already? With
Here's
what?
a real high-class bout. And begin.
Your eyes need to be all over the place. No, man.
A great slam and then some. Now go.
Man, I'm really getting my money's worth of this game. 20 euros. Ah, Madonna! No, I refuse.
A great slam and then some. And begin.
Freaking kidding me.
Good day for a swell battle. It's on.
Ah! Gemini. Oh! I love the sound she makes. No, the pants are not working right now. No!
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
Man. Oh!
get red hot. Now go!
Eeeh! No. I'm not gonna face the moon with just one heart, with one health.
It's on! This match will get red hot. Now go!
Did I damage him? I don't think I did. So far, no damage. I'm about to fight. Okay, there we go. Jinx. Oh my goodness, it's impossible! Man! Ah, man, the moon part is... these UFOs, or flying saucers, or whatever, are making it difficult.
This match will get red hot. And begin!
As if...
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on!
Ah! Ah! In the face! No! This is as far as I'm gonna make it. This is the last boss. Try again.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
Sooner or later I'm gonna catch a break and I'm gonna do this. Ah!
This match will get red hot. And begin! A brawl is surely brewing. Now go!
Now I feel like watching some 1930s cartoons. Come on. Come on, game, give me a break. Gemini. I made it to the moon with no damage! In your face! Yes! 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 Ah, man, my sphincter was like. That's why I keep restarting, because I want to make sure to get to the boss with as many HP as possible. B minus, whatever. Thank you, Alive and Dead. Ah, wow. Alright, so now I got all the contracts. Hildeberg. Yeah, very close to soiling myself. I'm gonna have a sip of water, hold on.
Mr. King Dice. I'm the gamest in the land. I never play nice. I'm the devil's right-hand man. I can't let you pass, 'cause you ain't done everything. Bring me those contracts, come on, bring them to the king. If you haven't finished your class, haven't worked assiduously, no, I cannot let you pass. Don't you mess with me.
Well, ain't that a pip? Looks like you really put the kibosh on them dellers. You can head on over to the next tile. Plenty more marks for you to lean on there. Okay. Aisle 2. Guys, hang on! Thank the stars I caught up with you. I believe I found the way out of this mess you're in. Hot dog, you have? Your strength is growing. You'll soon be a match for that no-good King Dice, and maybe even the devil himself. Golly, do you really think? I do, but you'll never get close to the devil unless you already have those soul contracts in hand. Only then you will get a chance to turn the tables on that fiend. So when the time comes, do the right thing. There we go. What's up with these guys? They're sad. Whoever heard of a barbershop trio? If we can't find our fourth member, we'll never sound right again. Be a pal. Let us know if you spot him, won't you? Aww. It's a nice Ferris wheel. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I'm gonna start with this guy. Through all your battles and all the rhymes, you have failed and perished 3 times. What? Through all your battles and all my rhymes, you have failed and perished 3 times. I don't think I died 3 times, I think I died like 300 times. I'm gonna start from this then. You see how these, the roller coaster, the seats are moving, kind of like shaking? There's like 3 or 4 animations. They made the artists draw them again. So they draw them, and they draw them again, and they draw them again, because they're never able to make them exactly on the line. So by making that effect, they make them like they shake, basically. Carnival Carruthel. Regular. Yeah, sure. Here we go.
Good day for a 12-hour. And begin.
Okay. Alright. No, I was just testing.
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
What the heck? Let me try something.
A great slam and then some. Here goes.
Nope.
Here's a real high-class bout. It's on.
I can't do this. How am I gonna do this? Uh-oh. Okay.
Good day for a 12-hour. Now go.
What is going on? Why do I keep dying? What am I doing?
For a 12-hour. It's on.
what I'm doing wrong, though.
This match will get red hot. Now go!
Alright. Wow. I'm still trying to get the hang and understand what's going on here, because it's really...
A great slam and then stop. And begin!
What the heck? What just killed me? What hurt me, not killed me. I don't get it. What the heck?
This match will get red hot. Now go! A great slam and then stop. It's on!
I can't pull it off, I don't know why.
A great slam and then stop. It's on!
Gary's Mod. I haven't played that game in ages.
This match will get red hot. You're
Gmod is Gary's Mod, right? No! What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Hang on a sec. Hang on a sec. Do these ducks hurt me?
You're up!
I'm gonna switch. What? Wow, I'm really making slow progress here.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes! A great slam and then stop. And begin!
What the heck are they dropping on me? I still cannot understand what's going on.
Red hot. You're up!
Ah, some of them have something on them, okay. They drop a light bulb. My goodness. And the thing is this, when I dash, I can't see what's going on.
Brawl is surely
It goes invisible, I don't like it.
begin.
I don't understand. No. What the heck?
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
I missed! Well, at least I'm still on 3 health, so no damage so far. Oh, come on, that was cheap. Oh. I'm not making good progress though, huh?
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
The heck hit me? I cannot understand what hit me.
Here's a real high-class bout. And begin.
Again, it happened again. I don't know what's hitting me. Those ducks hurt me.
You're up.
I wanna see. Hang on, I wanna see those ducks. Okay, those ducks actually hurt me. So how am I gonna do this?
Good day for a swell battle. And begin.
Okay, I need to shoot the ducks
A
first.
brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
Okay. Are you freaking kidding me?
Good day for a swell battle. It's on.
Really? So fast?
A brawl is surely brewing. You're up. A brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
Wow, so far no damage. Ah, I'm getting closer, but I don't even know what the final form is, so.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin.
Nope.
Good day for a swell battle. And begin. Good day for a swell battle. Now go.
Wow, man, this game.
Here's a real high-class bout. It's on.
No! Hey, Indigo.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
God dang it. No. no, no, no.
This match will get red hot. And begin.
Ah! You ass!
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
No, that's cheap.
Here's a real high-class bout. You're up.
Ah! Chill.
This match will get red hot. Here goes. This match will get red hot. Here goes. Good day for a 12 battle. Now go.
Oh wow, you really paid me back.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin.
Wow, man!
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
This game is not good for my health. I already got hit?
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
Impressive, man, how hard this game is.
You're up.
Alright, one down. No, I got hit. Oh man, that's how far I made it. Ah, knock knock. Who's there? Charlie. Charlie who? Charlie horse. What? Ah, man.
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Here's a real
And you know the best part is, if you play it on easy, if you play it on easy, it doesn't count. I got hit again.
Here's a real high.
It's from 1930.
Now go.
Well, it's not from 1930. It's from 2017. But it's made to. It's. Man, I can't even speak. Nope. It's made to sound like it's from the 30s. It's based on the music from the 30s.
You're up.
Unbelievable, man.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin.
You know the best part is, I haven't even seen the final form of the boss.
This match will get red hot. You're up.
Nope.
A great slam and then.
There's no point, there's no point in continuing if I get hit right away from the beginning. I only have three hearts, or whatever you want to call them. Nope.
This match will get red hot. It's on.
Are you freaking kidding me?
A great slam and then. It's on.
I got hit? Wow.
Here's a real high-class bout. Now go! Here's a real high-class bout. It's on! A brawl is surely brewing. You're up!
Oh man, I'm giving up.
A great slam and then stop. Here goes.
Hey! Hello, Sarania. I cannot do this. This game is killing me. Let's try again. No, retry.
A great slam and then stop. Now go.
Okay, so far no damage. So far no damage, but that will change soon. Ding 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 ding. Oh no, there we go. Oh wow. My back hurts. I'm gonna stretch a little bit. Oh. Man.
A great slam and then stop. Now go.
Nope.
A great slam and then stop. You're up. Here's a real high-class bout. Now
You heard it crack? Well, it's a very sensitive microphone, so I wouldn't be surprised.
good day for us. Well done. Now go.
How the heck did I jump and I still ended up on the same side?
Now go.
God dang it, man.
A brawl is surely brewing. Here goes.
I saw the light bulb falling on me and I didn't move. Why?
It's on.
Nope.
Good day for us. Well done. And begin.
Why?
This match will get red hot. And begin.
Frickin' ducks!
Good day for us. Well done. Here goes.
No, not these guys. These guys. Oh my goodness.
Here's a real high-class bout. And begin.
The frickin' ducks!
Here's a real high-class bout. You're up.
Daryl! You master lurker, you! Thank you so much, Daryl. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate the donation. Ah, man. That's stealth donation. Donation hype. Thank you so much. Alright. Retry. Man, this game is kicking my butt.
Brawl is surely brewing. And begin.
There we go. No! No, start over.
A great slam and then some. Here goes.
Uh-oh. Well, let's continue. We'll see. There he is. There you are. Man, this game is insane. Ah! Man. All right.
Good day for us. Well done. You're up.
Ah, that light bulb.
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
Oh no.
A great slam and then
You know what the fun part is?
here goes.
They're not working at the moment, no, because I'm streaming. I didn't create an event, so. Oh, the light bulb. The light bulb!
This match will get red hot. Here goes.
Just for this stream, though. Come on! Let's continue, we'll see. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah, man, these shoe horses. Or horseshoes, or whatever. Oh, man. How far did I make it this time? I haven't seen his final form. That's what sucks. Man.
Good day for us. Well done. And begin. Good day for us. Well done. It's on. Good day for us. Well done. You're up.
Nope.
A great slam and then some. It's on. This match will get red hot. It's on.
No, 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 no.
This match will get red hot. It's on. A great slam and then some. You're up.
No! I pressed the wrong button.
A great slam and then some. And begin. A great slam and then some. You're up.
You know what? I've been saying that with every boss. And all the bosses are this hard, so I might as well. You know what? Maybe I should. But no. I've done that with all the bosses in the previous world. I'm gonna start doing this again. Let's see. Hey Julian, welcome. I am having a good day, but this game is making me rage.
A great slam and then some. Now go.
Oh. No, hold on, man, hold on. I'm getting the heat strokes. The heat flashes, I mean. Let's see how this is
This
done.
match will get red hot. And begin.
This genie is awesome. Man, this is genius. No! Wow, and there's these little things. How am I supposed to do that? The genie is mocking me, huh? It's all about avoiding projectiles this game. You know, it's time? It's time to... Boom! I don't know if it made any difference. I think it did, because he's retreating. Oh, look, it's a puppet version of me. Oh, no! Whoa, he trashed me. I wanted the same. Yeah, I wanted the same thing. We're gonna find out, Executor. We're gonna find out right now, actually. Let's find out right now. Let's see. No, it doesn't kill you, no. That's good to know. No, that was a waste. Well. Man! This! Man! Wow! Wow!
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
What the heck? I already got hurt, my goodness.
This one will get red hot. Here goes.
I am the genie of the lamp. And I've got treasures for you. Oh, my goodness! You can't hit the walls. Oh man! His shoes are lamps. I didn't even notice. I'm so busy. Like, there's so much going on. Yeah, they are. Yes, they are. Ah, dude.
This one will get red hot. It's on.
Seriously?
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin.
I don't. There's treasure!
A great slam and then stop. It's on.
Isn't treasure supposed to be a good thing in the game? In games, it's treasure is good.
Good game for us. Well battled. It's on.
How am I supposed to do this? Man!
This one will get red hot.
Hold on a sec, I have an idea. Alright, I've got an idea. Did you see that? I can become small.
For us. Well battled.
So maybe it's easier to dodge. I don't know. But the projectiles are... it's not easy. Of course it's hard. Giggity.
A brawl is surely brewing. Now.
Oh man. Oh Come on, man.
A great slam and then
When you're smaller, you move faster. It looks like it, hey. I don't want to move faster. Or maybe I should. Look at me, I'm a tiny plane. Yeah, I still get hit, man. It's still hard to control.
well battled. Now go.
I still get hit.
This one will get red hot. And begin.
Oh, I was gonna say the swords are okay. I think I can deal with, but nope.
A great slam and then some. It's on.
You remember a lot from the tutorial. I was just trying to get it over with. I was just trying to get it over with.
A brawl is surely brewing. Here goes.
Came out of nowhere, the one in the back.
For us. Well battled. Now go.
So much treasure! Alright, we did it. Oh, there's more? Nice. That wasn't easier. That wasn't easier. Oh man, it's not easier.
This one will get red hot. You're up.
No!
A great slam and then some. Now go.
I'm gonna cry. How am I supposed to do this?
It's on.
My goodness, that blade. Oh! Oh man!
Here's a real high-class bout. It's on. A great slam and then some. Here goes.
I think I can deal this with the swords though. I don't mind the swords. Ah! I think the order change. Ah! I love this. Boogity boogity boo! I just gotta start sending planet Saturns at me now. Stop sending planet Saturns! No, planet Saturn! Boom! Wrong target. My goodness. Yes, I can parry, but to do what? What does parry accomplish? Nothing. I don't want to parry, because it confuses me even more. I feel like I lose the control of the plane. Look, the parry goes like this. That confuses me. There we go, I tried to parry, you see? I said to try!
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
I can't afford to get damaged so soon.
You're up.
Goodness, man.
This match will get red hot. Now go.
So much treasure! No, it's not good.
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go. This match will get red hot. Here goes. Good day for a swell battle. It's on.
As if sword fighting.
We'll get red hot. It's on.
Bringing a plane to a sword fight. I'm okay with... No, I'm not okay with this.
A great.
My thumb hurts, I kid you not.
Here goes. A great slam and then some. Here goes.
Oh my God. I tried to parry. Yes, yes, Indigo. I actually tweeted that out myself. I know. That's why I don't stream Nintendo games anymore. Except Pokemon. Pokemon doesn't count because Pokemon is like the Pokemon Company, really. So it's not really Nintendo per se. But yeah, that's why I boycott Nintendo.
Good day for a swell battle. Now go.
No, Pokemon doesn't count. Pokemon is Pokemon Company. That doesn't count. We're talking about Legend of Zelda, games actually made by Nintendo. Pokemon is made by Game Freak and the Pokemon Company. God dang it.
A brawl.
You're gonna be okay to stream Pokemon Sun and Moon.
Now go.
No, Nintendo won't get screwed. Nintendo doesn't care, and Nintendo will never get screwed. Nintendo has a stubborn fan base, I think.
A great slam and then some. And begin.
Nintendo can literally say, we hate our customers, we hate our fans, and the fans will still buy their products. Full stop. It's a fact. It's a fact.
This match will get red hot. And
How many times did they shoot themselves in the foot with something like that? Like the limited quantities of the NES Mini. Why would they do that? Ah, crap. But it shouldn't affect Pokemon. It was following me around.
a brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
Freaking kidding me, man.
Here's a real high-class bout. Now go.
I just noticed the genie has a pipe. There's a few that come off screen.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes. A great slam and then some. You're up.
Dang it. I'm not sure what you meant V4.
And begin.
Hold on. No, I was just trying something anyway.
This one will get red hot. Now go.
Hey, look what I'm gonna do! What? How did I get hot? Where did the sword come from? Alright, so if I go back there, a sword appears apparently and it hits me. Alright.
A great slam and then some. Here goes.
Oh god. My thumb hurts, I kid you not.
And begin.
Of course.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
Ho ho ho!
This one will get red hot. And begin.
I only have 1 HP left, as if I'm not gonna do anything. There's no point.
Here goes.
This I hate. There's nothing I can do against all this treasure.
It's surely brewing. It's on.
Wrap it up, buddy. Come on. Oh, crap. I love this. Boogie, 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 boogie. Okay, the planets cannot be destroyed. Nothing. I just killed the ghost with that bomb. Oh my goodness.
A great slam and then some. It's on. A brawl is surely brewing. And begin.
Alright, so far no damage. So I'm improving, you see? These blades, these freaking blades. There you go. There you go. And there you go. Have a great time.
A brawl is surely brewing. Here goes.
It's impossible.
Good day for us. Well battled. And begin.
There's nothing you can do with that
Here's
treasure.
a real high-class bout. Now go.
My goodness.
A great slam and then
I can only deal with the swords.
here goes. Here's a real high-class bout. You're up.
on, dude. Ah, I got hit! Oh! Did I hit him? I don't think so. I don't think I did either. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's change boss again. Let's change boss again. What's with you, man? Good timing, fellas. I just added an upgrade on your airplanes. Seriously, now you're telling me? Now you can wall up your foes with bombs. Just switch your weapon whenever it strikes your fancy. Try it out. Your airplanes are now equipped with mini bombs. Switch your weapon anytime during battle. Now he's telling me that. Let's try this again then.
Good game for us. Well done. Now go.
I don't know, I was just trying this out. What final boss? This is just one of the many bosses. Alright, the bombs are useless. Kind of. Let's try again.
Good game for us. Well done. It's on.
No, not the treasure! Not the treasure! It just won't stop coming! God dang it. Oh! Not even close. One more.
This one will get red hot. Now go.
Doesn't really make much difference though. Ah, the ones that come out of... Man!
Here's a real high-class bout. Now
He really does, V4, doesn't he? Giggity. God dang it. Exit to map. I'm done with this boss. I don't know how I'm gonna defeat this. Candyland. I'm surprised there isn't a shop here. I have to.
well done. And begin.
Oh, there we go. Wow.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
God dang it. Really?
A great slam and then some. Here goes.
She got eaten by... Seriously, that was different. She's mad. It's a chocolate bar. God dang it. What? What? No way! No way! Wow, we were getting close! We were getting close! Alright, we can actually defeat a boss today. We just might defeat a boss. What's this guy now? Okay, man, dude. This guy's... Oh, it's a candy bar. What is going on? What the heck is that head floating around? Ah, man.
Here's a real high-class bout. You're up.
I don't like this guy. There we go, that's why I don't like him.
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
I like this guy. This guy's harmless. More or less.
A brawl is surely brewing. Here goes.
Nah, yeah, I know I've beaten a couple of bosses. Ah! Chocolate? No, it's Pac-Man. That was easy. Oh, this guy. I can't even hit him! I hate this guy. Look at this.
A great slam and then some. It's on.
Okay, I tried to touch him. I don't know why I did that.
Well done. It's on.
Ah! Ah! You booblet. Alright, I need to defeat the first three bosses without dying.
Here goes.
Why didn't I... Hang on, can I kill the little one? You can't kill the little one, alright. Okay.
A great slam and then some. It's on.
God dang it.
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
Is that a chocolate or waffle? I'm starting to think it's a waffle.
A brawl is surely brewing. You're up.
This weapon is useless.
Here's a real high-class bout. Now go!
Oh, I hate this guy. I get hit by splash.
And begin!
One down. Ah, this guy. Ah! I got hit twice. Boing.
A great slam and then some. It's on! Good day for a well battle. It's on!
Alright, one down. Alright. I think I got the pattern of this guy as well. Oh crap, he hit me twice. I don't understand the head! What am I supposed to do with the head? This is like the final part of the boss.
Good day for a well battle. You're up!
One down. Ah, crap, this little piece of... Crap, the freaking Pac-Man.
Here's a real high-class bout. And begin!
It's the small one that annoys me. Alright, first one's down. This guy. There we go. Number 2 down. Okay, this guy. Crap! The little ones! It's always the little ones on the floor. Alright, well... Ooh, I got hit twice. That's what you get. when you get to the final part of the boss with just one HP. Crap.
A brawl is surely brewing. Here goes. Good day for us. Well battled. It's on.
One down. Crap! I thought he was gonna. Okay.
A great slam and then some. You're up.
You destroyed my waffle! There we go. Number 2 is down. This little piece of pea. Hey! Oh crap, this guy! Twice. He hit me twice.
Surely brewing. And begin.
One down. Alright. Number 2. Yes, they are jelly beans, yeah. Alright, I can deal with this guy. No! Why is that following me? How am I supposed to do that? I didn't even get started. I won't sugarcoat it. You never stood a chance. Try again.
A brawl is surely brewing. Here goes.
Okay, one down, no damage. Come on, man, it's just a waffle.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes. This match will get red hot. And begin. A great slam and then some. Now go.
Man.
This match will get red hot. Here goes. Good day for us. Well battled. And begin.
One down. Hey! Ah!
Here's a real high-class bout. Now go! This match will get red hot. Now go! Good day for a well battle. Now go! Good day for a well battle. Now go!
Ah! Goodness.
This match will get red hot. And begin!
Haven't seen you in a while. What did I get hit? Ah, I don't know what I got hit by.
Shirley Brewing. It's on.
This guy.
Here's a real high-class bout. Now go!
I don't understand what hit me.
A great slam and then some. And begin!
What hits me? He made his splash.
Slam and then some. Now go! Here's a real high-class bout. Now go!
Right. This guy found a trick to get rid of him right away. This guy, man. Ah! Something hit me. The frickin' jelly bean. I don't know! What am I supposed to do? This is insane. I need to watch a few videos. This is insane.
A great slam and then some. And begin!
One down. I think I can take all of them now without getting damaged. I think I know how. Except this guy, actually. Maybe I can just do this. Ah, that guy. That's the only guy I don't know how to kill without getting damaged. The others, of course that one is the first one that I have to deal with. Cause he's very random the way he travels around.
Red hot. Here goes.
goodness.
This match will get red hot. Now go!
Bye. Ah, the frickin' jelly bean! Oh my goodness! Ah, so close. What the heck? I have no idea how am I supposed to dodge that? Alright, one last try. One last try and I'm gonna call it. My goodness, I thought I was gonna do this.
You're up.
This guy is the only guy I don't know how to deal with.
A great slam and then some. And begin.
This guy is easy. Just need to be careful for the little one. What the heck? What hit me?
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
No! My goodness. And that's the thing. Look, this time I made some progress. It took them a while to kill me, but still I haven't made progress like killing her. I don't know why. Where do I need to shoot? The head? I need to look at the video.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin.
Crap! No.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin.
Alright, I made it to full health. Final part. No damage. Whoa! I have no idea how I did that! No idea how I did that! No idea! Alright. Wow. This game is really hard, huh? Baroness von Bon Bon. How cool is that? Alright, maybe. Hello, girl. You can't catch me unless you take a shortcut. That's what some punk kids did last week. It's only... I'm tired. It's the only way they could have beaten me to the rides. Say, maybe you could show me where the shortcut is around here. Alright, let's see how hard this is. Funfair Fever. Let's see how hard this is.
It's on.
Why is the... Wow. I made 1/3 of it. The sad part is that Oh, I get hit by this thing? Hold on. No, I don't get hit. The balloons keep coming then. Oh, there's one of those! My goodness, how hard it is. Oh, look where I'm standing! Man, it's so hard.
It's on.
Man, the freaking balloons! My God!
Now go.
You don't shoot the balloons? What the heck? He still hit me. The heck? What just happened?
It's on.
God dang it. on, come on! Ah! What's killing me here? What is... Oh, man.
And begin.
We do it too. How are you, Levy? Nice to see you again. Wow, they do pop into balloons and bubbles and bullets. That's true. Oh god, man, that's not good. So yeah, I didn't even notice the bullets. I'll make sure I won't shoot. Ah! God dang it, how hard it is.
It's on.
Heal!
And begin.
I can upgrade my health. Instead of 3 HP, I get 4 HP, but my gun gets weaker. I don't want that. Come on, quickly! I hate balloons! Well, at least. Really, dude? What am I supposed to do here? I died the moment I get on the thing. Oh, yeah, that's right. Oops. I'm scared. I don't know what this is. Oh! What the heck am I supposed to do? Impossible!
Now go.
Heal! What am I supposed to do?
It's on.
I'm in love with the art style of the game. The art. Ah! Now I get what's going on. Now I understand. Alright. Now I understand what's going on. Okay. Yeah, it's the same thing every time. Come on. Wow, it's so hard, man. I thought I was done. There was more. Alright, I'm gonna call it. It's too hard and my back hurts. I've been playing this all day. I must have played this game for a total of like 8 hours today. No joke. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. I will try again maybe tomorrow? We'll see. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Ciao.